This video is about choosing solar panels in the UK. Now, I went by most advice saying get at least 3 quotes, very similar in prices, but the payback I went for was the best on UPS Solar. I mean, some of the others were using different equipment, might be classed as better equipment, but I just went for the main payback rate after researching it a little bit. Contact Solar, we're just going to put it on one roof, so that was 13 panels. UPS Solar, I've got 10 panels on one side and 6 on the other side, and then the other one, GEI, I think is be a little greener, and they were just gonna put green electrical installations. They were going to put 6 panels on each side, so it's probably best to have both on some on each side, because I've got east west facing. In south is obviously the ideal position, but if you haven't got it, you got to see what you can use. Right, here's some of the different return figures. Obviously they're using different sort of rates per kilowatt, and the prices have changed a lot, so obviously the payback hopefully should be less than the time estimated. Here's the Fox 3.7 kilowatt inverter and battery control unit, and 2.6 kilowatt batteries. Yeah, so I've got 16 panels in total, JA solar panels. Got 6 on the east side of the roof. I've got 10 on the west side, so I get a vary through the day of power. Hits the east side in the morning, and then later in the day on the west side. Right, the system is predicted to produce 4,421.61 kilowatts. I think roughly I used about 3,600 last year, but obviously you're gonna get more kilowatts in the summer that you can use and not enough in the winter, so you get some payback from that to pay towards your winter costs. Just the predicted figures there. Obviously if you look at the bottom, it says electric cost per kilowatt 16.5p. Now I'm already paying 21p, which is going to go up to 28p in April. It's not the best time to be trying to show the site, because it's not working properly at the minute, but it just gives you a rough idea of what you can see. I mean, you get more information down here when it's back up and working, what you've used. See if I can go back to any previous information. No. The battery's 64%. Not been a great day today. Cooking dinner at the minute, so running off the battery. That'll start going down again, but if we didn't have the battery, we wouldn't have been able to use the power that we've generated earlier in the day, so it's saving money. So west facing array. There's my east facing array.